Muling bumisita si Vice President Sara Duterte sa kanyang amang si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na nakadeteni ngayon sa International Criminal Court sa The Hague, Netherlands. Kasama ng pangalawang Pangulo ang kanyang kapatid na si Veronica Kitty Duterte at ina nitong si Hanilet Abansenya. Inaasahan din ang pagpunta ng iba pang anak ng dating Pangulo tulad ni na Representative Paulo Duterte at Mayor Sebastian Duterte. Ayon kay VP Sara, mas tumibay ang kanilang relasyon bilang mag-ama sa tulong ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
But I want to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about the family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president.
Ibinahagi naman ni Veronica Kitty Duterte na masaya ang kanyang ama dahil sa pagiging mas united ng kanilang pamilya pati na rin ng kanilang mga taga-suporta.
Really happy to see us. As I have told him, that the family has never been more united, not just with our siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So he's happy to hear that. And not just us, sa mga supporters.
Sa ngayon, nasa The Hague, the Netherlands pa rin si VP Sara kasama si Kitty, ngunit inaasahan niyang makabalik sa Pilipinas matapos matanggap ang isang dokumento.